dog, praise to the Most High. Glory Yeshua, you are the ruler, it's in you that my hope lies. Faux God, no lie, no bite, I don't play both sides. Been sold out with the windows down, truth music blowing out the whip so loud you repent when I roll by. Got over money, my clique, if you with it, I know when you ride out. The whole world finna die out, why hide now? Fourth down in the fourth, no timeout. Not in no upper room, do what you come to do, we ain't gon' hide out. Ain't here to punish you, Jesus is coming soon. Hate it or love it, one day you gon' find out. Atheist saying, well, the only reason you with him cause you afraid of hell. But I believe the hell was 100% real when I was still about here chasing mail, straight raising hell. Appearing to be real, but literally fake. I sit with a cheap meal, pretending to eat steak. I live with a cheap thrill, pretending to be great till everything breaks. Never been to the top, but I seen the bottom. Well, at least I seen what I think is bottom. But we all believe that we done seen it all until we meet somebody from beneath the bottom. And the things we whine about daily, they don't even see as problems. Honestly, with all I've been seeing, it's kinda hard not to think that we the problem. Hold up. Wait, let it breathe. Hold up. Wait, let it breathe. Hold up. Wait, let it breathe. Hold up. Wait, okay,
put
go.
your hand in the air if you know say you win that. Hail grace and we not take no chance. We against the world, no we not name to back. Surrender to the Lord and we not bust no shot.
Hey, we roll for the G-O to the D, the elite folk know not to play. It could be cold, 40 days of complete snow touch, cheers, it get hot today. If I wasn't trying to be cool, these MCs be food on top my plate. But that's not my plate, so I'ma get back in my zone. Try to love them through the crap they be on. I know, the dealer and the fiend both need Jesus, but it's so dang hard, know when they selling that crack to my folk. Trying to get them back in that hope, feeling like I'm in this battle alone. Shout out to the cats that are actively out here combating this madness after what matters the most. Yeah! Hold up. Wait, let it breathe. Hold up. Wait, let it breathe. Hold up. Wait, let it breathe. Hold up. Wait, okay,
put
go.
your hand